So beautiful. So, so beautiful. The bird is just enjoying himself or herself, whichever. Make it your business to get out and enjoy yourself with nature. Make it your business to wake up each morning and just speak peace and existence into your life. Speak it. Being able to wake up and actually enjoy life is a whole lot different than just existing. It's a whole lot different. I don't know if you could hear the birds chirping in the background, but it's peaceful. It's definitely peaceful. I've seen people come out and just lay down on on one of those little mats or whatever. Just lay down and enjoy the morning. Even though the grass is wet, just lay down and enjoy it. That's all you have to do. Just enjoy the moment. Once you learn how to enjoy the moment in the morning, I had to hurry up and stop recording. People came. But once you're able to enjoy the moment, you will be able to wake up happy each day. Once you learn how to enjoy the moment, people will respect you a hell of a lot more because you will stand in a way to where it's understood that you like peace and you stop at nothing to get peace. So it's a beautiful thing. Like it's, oh my goodness, you don't understand how great it is whenever you walk with such a, I guess, such a an energy that surrounds you, that speaks peace, joy, and happiness. Even when I'm tired from working overnight, I still make it my business to stop and just enjoy the morning before I go to sleep.